Welcome again to Uganda. I crossed the border at Kanika and I drove straight to Lake Bunyoni to meet with the wonderful Lily. Today, I've got 4 hours drive to reach my next stop, Bwindi Impenetrable Forest National Park. The rocks falling on the road. You can see the moto there, that's the road, and the rocks all over. And this is the view. Yeah, ok. Bon. Alors là, ça devient un petit peu technique. C'est un petit peu technique le Ouganda quand même quand il pleut. Allez mon Rafiki, c'est le meilleur des voitures. Ah putain. Tu vois les rochers. T'es pas rassuré là. Ah. So this is the road and this is the view. This is so wow. Magnifique. Alors là, better not to bring my grandma. I tell you. Ah grand-mère, là, si tu voyais où je suis. Oh, si tu vois où je suis. C'est un truc de ouf. Là, tu roules, t'as ça. C'est que de la route comme ça, au bord des... C'est un truc de ouf. Là, tu te dis, ça va se casser la gueule. Thank you, sir. I like your car.
Yes.
It's good car. Yeah. Nice. Putain. I'm in the jungle. Ah, ça j'aime. Ça j'aime. I finally reached the famous Bwindi Impenetrable National Park. It's covered by one of Uganda's oldest and most biologically diverse rainforests, which dates back over 25,000 years. The forest contains 400 species of plants and is a shelter to 120 mammals. You cannot imagine how beautiful was this moment. First time in my life I see black and white colobus monkeys. I actually didn't know about this primate before today. Bwindi is one of the most prominent forests in Africa in terms of mammal diversity, and is especially known to host about half of the world's mountain gorillas, around 459 of them. But as this majestic species is endangered, I'm not sure about this number anymore.
Là, c'est de la technique. On aura tout fait, mon Rafiki. On aura tout fait. C'est bien grand. C'est bien grand. Mais pour remonter, oh la vache. Ah ouais, c'est un délire en fait. Ah, c'est carrément un délire. Allez mon Rafiki, on a vu pire. Douceur, fluidité, confort, sécurité. Alors là les gars. Attends, je suis en 4WD, ok. Rafik, c'est le moment ou jamais, hein. Tu ne fous pas la hachkoumoun, hein. Allez, on y va. Allez, hop. Mon Rafiki, je t'aime. Non, ma voiture. T'es la meilleure. Putain, t'es la meilleure, ma voiture. Je t'aime trop. On inspire par le nez, on expire par où on peut. Allez, c'est parti. Allez, mon Rafiki. On se fait un petit peu de gras. Un petit peu de flaque, sympa, en douceur. Et voilà, c'est qui la bosse. Ok, I can't turn there and I have to climb this. I mean, to drive on that. Whew. Ok, on va essayer un truc. Voilà. Je suis arrivée. I've just arrived on the parking in the middle of nowhere. And oh merde, the light. Yeah. And this is the manager's car, and Rafiki park in the parking lot of a hotel. And of course, I'm the only one. Voilà. I'm on a parking lot of a lodge. There is nobody. I asked them to park on the parking and they say yes, so here I am, sleeping in a rooftop tent, and I could hear some weird sounds, like, I don't know if it's gorillas, but it was very interesting sounds. I hope it's gorillas.
I randomly arrived in Kiro Lodge. I was looking for a white spot to camp, but it was getting too dark and I didn't know what to do. So I kept on driving, slowly, on the muddy and slippery track, until I saw a sign. The lodge is actually under construction still, which means that I'm the only one with the staff. And when I see the weather, I feel lucky to be here.
See the weather? So I'm here inside with all my life. And yeah.
It's probably not the ideal time of the year to overland Uganda, but I kind of like it, because I'm curious about the famous African rainy season.
Okay, welcome to Uganda. It's official, the rainy season has started. Putain, je ne vois plus rien. Can you believe it's 1 p.m? I swear. It's 1 p.m. It's dark and I'm still here. Kidding. Anyway, it's a wonderful day today. I love this weather. Actually, the owner of this lodge, I mean, I say lodge, no, it's a hotel. They have like many cottages, very, very, very high end, very luxurious. And actually, the owner is from Uganda, and he wants me to take shots and videos with the drone and with my camera, and I say yes. And so yeah, not today, because today is such an awful day. It's 1 p.m. in the afternoon. I feel it's like midnight. Anyway, you can see the tent behind. But anyway, I have a very good feeling with the owner. Check the tent. J'espère que ça rentre pas dedans, sa mère. Ah putain, je suis trempée. Attendez. C'est un truc de ouf. Non mais j'ai jamais vu ça. C'est un truc de malade. S'il te plaît, petite tante. Tiens le coup. Mais regardez. C'est un truc de ouf. C'est un truc de ouf. I'm so sorry. I'll come back tonight. They gave me this lamp for tonight, and it smells so bad because of the cod liver. And yeah, I'm going to also eat some Chinese noodles. I'm back to the roots with my Chinese noodles. Yeah, in my car with Rafiki alone, no network, no nothing.
It's not no nothing, it's actually everything. No internet is no distraction, and no distraction is more awareness. The nature around me is so intense, so gigantic, so powerful, and it's an absolute privilege to listen to it. I will try my best because internet has become a real friend when it comes to stay connected with the outside world. As a solo traveler. Inside, this is to resume my life inside the tent. Fleece and socks. Welcome in the tent with my socks and I have no network and I can't call my family and it's raining, but I'm living the life, right? Yeah. It's raining rain, hallelujah, it's raining rain, na na na. Charles, the owner of the lodge, told me to come inside during the day. And I'm here working. Not too bad, huh? He also kindly offered me a room that I politely refused. I want to sleep in my tent. This is inside the car. I'm back in my office. It's so cold. I think I'm going to die for the rest of the month. It's so cold. I'm here because this is where I can have internet in the fougère, in the plants. So checking for the gorilla. Joking. Or maybe. Oh, Rafiki qui m'attend. Putain, it's so cold. I can't imagine. It's like I'm going to lose my fingers. Tonight it's 9:30. I could catch some internet. And now I'm eating my dinner. Yeah, it's a very interesting dinner, but it's, no choice. Third night here. I need to show you everything I bring in the tent, because it's a mess. So what do I bring with me? This is a pharmacy first aid kit, a knife, a headlamp, some water, all my cables and stuff to charge my devices. This is hot water to fill my hot water bottle because it's very cold. This bag is for my shoes because it's disgusting, so I prefer to put my shoes in the bag. This is my toiletries, everything I need for creams and stuff. Anyway, sometimes I bring my camera so I can work my pictures. I don't have to go back into the cab. Socks, warm socks, all my blankets, my jammies, which is a t-shirt, my keys, the power bank and the cable for the phone, an axe because psychologically I feel better. Here I have some pepper spray and some earplugs and and my pillow. And a lamp. I've got also a light over here as well. And I'm good. Good night.